Hey everyone! Today I'm about to take you on a flavor trip to Sri Lanka right from your kitchen. Get ready, because I'm going to show you how to make a classic Sri Lankan chicken curry spicy, coconutty, and totally irresistible. Trust me, after this, your kitchen will smell like an island paradise. Let's start with the basics. First, you want about 2 pounds of chicken skinless thighs work best. Cut them into bite-sized pieces. Now, for the magic, the spice blend. Grab some chili powder, turmeric, coriander, cumin, black pepper, and a little cinnamon. Oh, and don't forget 2 big spoonfuls of Sri Lankan curry powder if you can find it. If not, no stress. Regular curry powder will still make it taste amazing. Okay, get a big bowl. Throw in your chicken, all those spices, a teaspoon of salt, and a squeeze of fresh lime juice. Toss everything together so the chicken gets a nice coat of color. Let this marinate for at least 30 minutes. If you've got time, an hour is even better. While the chicken's chilling, get your pot ready. Heat up a couple tablespoons of coconut oil if you have it, because it's traditional and smells incredible. Add a finely chopped onion, a handful of curry leaves, and a few cloves of garlic and some ginger. Sauté that on medium heat until the onions are soft and golden. Now, in goes the marinated chicken. Hear that sizzle? That's good. Stir it around, letting the spices bloom and the chicken brown a bit. After about 5 minutes, pour in a can of coconut milk full fat, because we're not here to diet. Add a half cup of water if it looks too thick. Bring the whole thing to a gentle simmer. Cover it, lower the heat, and let it gently bubble away for about 25 minutes. Stir it every now and then, and watch as the sauce thickens and the chicken turns meltingly tender. This is where the magic happens. Taste the sauce. Maybe add a pinch more salt or a dash of lime juice if you like it tangy. When the chicken is tender and the sauce is silky, you're done. That's it. Now to serve, pile some fluffy white rice onto a plate, ladle that gorgeous fragrant curry over the top, and maybe scatter some fresh cilantro if you're feeling fancy. And there you go. You've just made Sri Lankan chicken curry right at home. It's spicy, rich, and packed with flavor. Perfect for impressing your family or just treating yourself. Give this a try and let your taste buds take a vacation. I promise you'll want to make it again and again. If you liked this recipe, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more easy, delicious dishes from around the world. Thanks for cooking with me. See you next time.